morning all of you. We will continue with the English grammar topic of the present tenses. And yesterday we had a look at the present perfect and the present perfect continuous tenses. Also the comparison between the present perfect and the present perfect continuous tenses. So today we'll do the exercises related to it. You can turn your books to page 52. Page 52. Okay, first one. Exercise D. Fill in the blanks with the present perfect or present perfect continuous tense form of the verbs in the brackets. So in the brackets, verbs are already given. You have to use either their present perfect or present perfect continuous. Like I told you yesterday, present perfect will have has or have. Okay? And present perfect continuous has or have plus been plus the ing form of the verb. Okay? Let's try the first one. She dashed the meeting. Attend.
Ma'am, she has attended the meeting. Ma'am, she has attended.
Okay, she
Ma'am,
has
she has
attended.
attended the meeting.
Correct? Right? She has attended.
Ma'am, written.
Okay, next. They dash to answer all my questions. Attempt.
Ma'am, they have attempted. Ma'am, they have attempted.
They have attempted.
Ma'am, they.
Correct, they have attempted. Next, he dashed a book since morning. Right?
Ma'am, he has been writing. Ma'am, he has been writing.
Yes, that is correct. He has been writing. He has been writing a book since morning. He has been writing. Next one. You dash continuously for 2 hours. Drive.
Ma'am, you drive.
Have
Ma'am,
been
you have been driving.
Yes, have been driving. You have been driving. You have been driving continuously for 2 hours. Number 5. They dash samples from all patients. Collect.
Ma'am, they have been collected. Ma'am, they have collected.
Yes, one of you. Any one of you.
Ma'am, they have been collecting.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Shak,
they
what do you
have
think?
been collecting. Ma'am, they have been collecting.
They have been collecting samples from all patients.
Ma'am, they have collected. Ma'am, they have been collected.
They have collected. They have collected samples from all patients. They have collected. You are forgetting. What did we do yesterday? Present perfect continuous is used to highlight the duration of the activity. Here in this sentence we are not stressing on the duration. We are stressing on the outcome, the result. What was the result? That they collected all the samples. They did not tell you how long did it take. Did they tell you anything about that? About the time taken?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No. That is why. See, when we did the comparison, what did we study? That the present perfect continuous is used to highlight the duration of the activity, whereas the present perfect tense is used to focus on the result, the final outcome of the activity. Okay. Next. They dash a smoke alarm since 5 o'clock.
Ma'am, they have been installing.
Right, correct.
Ma'am,
See, since
install.
5
They
o'clock,
have been
they are telling, stressing on the duration that since 5 o'clock they are doing this. So, then we will use the present perfect continuous form. They have been installing. Next, I dash money for 5 years. Invest.
I have been investing. I have been investing.
I have been investing. Yes, that is
Investing.
correct. I have been investing. Next, she dashed with kids for many years.
Ma'am, she has been working.
Okay, right.
Ma'am,
She has been working with kids for many years. Many years. Stressing on the duration. So, present perfect continuous. He dashed to the hospital for an operation.
He has gone to the hospital for an operation. Ma'am has gone. Ma'am, he has going to the hospital. Ma'am, he has gone. Ma'am has gone.
Right, correct. He has gone. He has gone to the hospital for an operation.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, what is the fifth one?
Fifth, they have collected.
Yes.
Have collected. Okay. Next,
Thank
the use of for or since. Yesterday I have told you. Now once again, see the remember point here. Since is used to show that something has been happening from a specific point of time in the past. Means they will tell you the beginning. We use since to show that something has been happening from a particular time, a specific time they will tell. Since morning, since 9 o'clock, since 2 years, since 5 years. Okay? But for is used
Yes, ma'am.
to show a period or a duration. He has been studying for 2 hours. Duration. We do not know when he started studying. If I say he started studying, he started or he is studying since 5 o'clock or since 9 o'clock. So then since, why? Because I am telling you the specific time when the particular action began. So when we want to tell about the time when a particular action began, a specific time, when we use since, but when we are simply telling about the duration or the period, we use for. We do not know in for that what was the beginning time of that action. We only know the duration or the period. Okay, let's try, then it will become more clear. The use of for or since. The strong wind has been blowing dash morning.
Ma'am, since
Right,
morning.
since morning. She has been copying lines dash an hour. Right, for an hour. They
Ma'am,
tell
for,
you
she
about
has
the
been copying
period or the duration here. For an hour. That is correct. The dollar has been climbing dash 2 weeks.
Ma'am, for 2 weeks.
For 2
Ma'am,
weeks.
for.
Yes, very
Ma'am,
good.
for 2 weeks.
For 2 weeks. My dog has been chasing a cat dash dawn.
Ma'am, since.
Since dawn.
Ma'am, since.
Yes, very good. The girls have been chatting dash 3 hours.
Ma'am, for.
For 3 hours.
3 hours. 3 hours.
Even 3 hours could be less, right? Yes, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
We could chat for more than that? Yes or no? Yes, Ridhima? No? Aditi, what about you?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Okay. Mother has been washing clothes dash 8 a.m.
Ma'am,
Since.
since.
Right, good. Because they are telling you the specific time when the action began. Mr. Roy has been teaching grammar dash 2005.
Ma'am, since. Ma'am, since 2005. Ma'am,
Okay,
since.
since 2005. They have been raising money for charity dash 2 months.
Ma'am,
For
for
2 months, right? Telling about the duration. Our team has been fielding dash afternoon.
Ma'am, since
Since afternoon.
since afternoon.
Very good. Okay, last one here. I have been hearing about her dash months.
Ma'am, for
4 months. Yes, 4 months. Okay, so this completes the chapter. Has anyone missed anything?
No, ma'am.
No?
Ma'am.
Alright. Okay, so this completes the chapter then.